I'm now going to import some documents into the UrDCC structure. It's important to have the document file names in the same format as your document number and have the revision code added to the end. To import documents, I'll first create an import folder. I do that by selecting the drop area. This will take me to the import area, and I'm going to select to click here. This is going to open a forum where I'll fill in an incoming reference. Now this could be an incoming transmittal reference number, for instance, or some other reference that I want to refer back to at some stage. I can put in an issue date, and I can put in a reason for the issue. Now the reason for the issues are configurable. I'm going to do an IDC. I could create automatically an internal transmittal if I had the document matrix in place, and using the document numbering structure that it would issue the documents to the relevant parties. And I could inform a drop area document control person that this is happening. And when I click save, it's created a folder in the import area of that name. I'm going to get into the folder now, and I'm going to select add documents. Now I can select an individual document, or I can select to upload multiple files. This particular screen is just a standard SharePoint screen. So in here I'm going to select some documents, and I'm going to say OK. Now these have been now added into my import folder. So I'm going to go back to my import folder, and I'll select to import to the register. Now at this point I'll be given a prompt to say that I want to import and issue the documents. The import is it's going to import the documents in. If I had selected to create an internal transmittal, it would automatically issue the documents as well. Now at this point in time, UrDCC is importing the documents from the location into SharePoint, and if if the structure doesn't exist for these documents, UrDCC will create that structure. It'll add the documents in, and it will be filling out the metadata at the same time based on the discipline type, discipline group, and the document type that from the document number. And it will take the revision and add in the revision details, and it will then extract the remove the revision code from the name of the document. Now, while it's doing that, I could also say that UrDCC will allow you to email documents into this area, and from the email it would create the import and import the documents into UrDCC directly from an email posted to the site. So here I've got a success that all the documents have been imported. I could go to the library from here. I'm just going to click close in this case. So the import is complete, and you can see that because the import has been successful, it's actually deleted the folder. I no longer need that. So if I go to the register, and it was EN, DCN, and the 5000, so you can see these have been imported, anything with 5000 on it. And if I look at the properties, you can see that it's extracted the discipline code, extracted the document type code, and it's brought in the revision, and it knows that that revision is approved, issued.